Hello viewers, this Not Too Fast here. In today's video I will show you how to fix a broken trunk release latch on your Hyundai Elantra. This is a very common problem for this generation of Hyundai Elantra. When this happens, when you pull on the trunk release lever inside the vehicle, the trunk does not open. This problem is caused by a broken latch inside the trunk release mechanism. The only fix is to replace the entire assembly, and in this video I'll show you how to do that. If your trunk release mechanism possibly is broken, you can first try to open the trunk by pulling the lever right here. If that doesn't work, then you can also try the remote control and opening the trunk using the button on the remote control. A lot of times the remote control will actually be able to open a trunk and not the lever right here. Here I'll use a remote control. With the trunk open, go ahead and remove all the plastic screws around the entire edge. Now if you try to loosen the plastic screw, it'll just keep spinning. What you want to do is use pliers and grab onto the outside ring and then turn it counterclockwise, and this center pin will come out. There are 10 more of these you got to remove. Here's a trunk release mechanism. It's held on by two 10mm bolts on each side. So go ahead and remove the two 10mm bolts. Next, disconnect this connector, push in this tab, and pull the connector out. You also need to remove this cable. Pull this plastic out, and then rotate this, and it'll come out like this. So let me show you what's broken inside this mechanism. Remove this Phillips screw right here. I'm going to remove this front cover. Use a flathead screwdriver and pry back this plastic piece and pull this piece off. So looking at this part right here, you see this plastic piece? It's completely broken off. This is supposed to be attached to this metal part right here. But as you can see, it's broken off. And actually I can take the whole piece off. Here's a broken piece. Inside this box is the replacement latch. Here's a side-by-side look of the new one on the right and the old one on the left side. First thing is to reattach the wire cable like this. Next, connect this connector. Now before reinstallation, if you want, you can test this out. What you want to do is get a screwdriver and then push on the bottom piece right here and push it up. That'll simulate you closing the trunk. Now I'll grab the remote control and I will open up the trunk. And you'll watch this latch right here. So that unlatched it. And same thing, you can repeat the test and release it using the trunk release lever inside the vehicle. Now I'll install this onto the trunk. Now I'll reinstall the trunk liner. And that's it. This is how to fix the broken trunk release on your Hyundai Elantra. This is actually a very common problem with many of the Hyundai vehicles. Now if you want to get the replacement part, check out the link in the video description below. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.